Hi guys, welcome to Lips, Shoes, and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go over the Natasha Denona palette. I bought it not too long ago. I actually did a video on this palette and I had no audio. And it was in slow-mo. So I have no idea what I did with my camera, but I'll tell you what, it was kind of funny playing it back because slow-mo, no audio. I look like a complete idiot. So I still tried to post it because I was like, where's the sound and can I speed it up? And it was a good experience because I was trying to figure so much out with my camera, but didn't work. But anyway, so I'm going to do it again because obviously I'm going to use this palette. It's so gorgeous. This is Zendo, the Zendo palette, right? Zendo. All right. So look at these colors. Gorgeous, aren't they? Now, what drew me to this palette, because I was walking by Sephora, looking at all their stuff, like I always do. But I don't go crazy when I'm in there because I'm not stupid. Like, I'm going to test it to the best of my ability, as clean as I can. I walk around with the alcohol and the tissue, and I don't test it on my face. I mean, I'll test a few things on my face as long as it's extremely sanitary. Or sometimes I can get one of the, like, if there's a color that I like and there's no sample out there, I can get one of the girls that work there to open up one for me so that I can test it out. And then that's clean. I can use that and I like that. But I was walking by anyway, and this color right here, this one, Relief. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, now I know. Now I get it. Okay, Relief. Now, I think that this color here is the beginning of the story, okay? But this color, Relief, it just grabbed me. It grabbed me. Like I'm walking and I see the color and I back up. I go, whoa. And yes. So this, to me, this kind of has, I see summer, but I also see fall. I definitely see fall with this. Maybe not so much winter, maybe a little bit of spring with the green, because I think a green, March, St. Patty's, but you know, that's crazy. Doesn't that look like a real pretty Christmas green also? That does? I think it does. So this is very versatile. I think you can use it with any, during any season. I normally, when I buy Stories eyeshadow palettes or whatever, I tend to go with the seasons. Like I was really actually looking for more pinks and peaches. Well, I have it here. I definitely do. That's a peachy pink maybe, little rose gold, much peachier here. This could be a little bit of a, these two could be more of a fall pumpkin color. This is just one I would grab. And this is just kind of a brown that you would wear anytime. A little bit of pretty turquoise that could go under your eye. I don't know. I see a lot of hope with this. But we're going to get started now. Okay, so I zoomed you in pretty close. So I'm going to start with the crease. And I'm going to use my BK Beauty 207 brush. Doesn't really say what it's for, but it's definitely for the eyes. I just bought a few BK Beauty brushes and I love them. I really do. And it's a small business, women-owned, female-owned business. So I'm going to start with the really light neutral brown here, beige brown, and it's called Balance. Now I'm experimenting, but I always do with the palettes. Oh, that's pretty pigmented. That's pigmented, so you want to go in light. I should have kind of dabbed it on my hand before putting it on, but I didn't. But hey, it's makeup, and it's all about playing. You want to be really careful with your eyelids if you're mature, because you need your skin to bounce back. Sometimes it doesn't so quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and dab the excess on my hand. Okay, this is a really pretty neutral color to start out with in the crease. I love it. I didn't think I would actually, but I do. Now I already have foundation on, a little bit of blush, and some lip gloss by Makeup by Mario. I always like to go in with a blender. So I have a blender brush that I bought on Amazon, and there's, I don't know, there's no name to it, but it's just a brush that looks like this. It's just small and fluffy, and it just helps to blend the product, the shadow, blend the shadow. Now I'm going to use this little flat blush, e.l.f. eyeshadow blush. I'm going to use this because I'm going to go ahead and do the corners with this color here. Mindful, which is a darker brown, right there. Okay, so I put that on first. Now let's go with the darker brown. I love that yellow too. Oh my gosh. Love it. So just going to dab it in. And again, I'm going to use my hand because you really should. Because you can always go in and build up and do more. But when you put on too much from the beginning, then you're fixing stuff. And you don't want to fix stuff. You just want to add. So I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of make a little V right here. As if I'm making a wing, but I'm not. And I'm going down as low as my the line of my eyelashes, as if I'm putting on an eyeliner, because I just want to define the outer corner of my lid, which is really all I'm doing. I'm going to clean it up. And as you can see, this is one of those days where I just can't seem to slow down. And I'm sure there's a lot of us like that, but I guess somebody, if you're hyper like me, you could still do your eyes. And you want to go up, okay? You want to go up because you want to bring your eyes up. Again, blender brush. I'm always blending because blending is really important at our age. We want it to look natural. So this is how it looks so far. Now I think I'm going to use 2 more colors because I want to do the subject of the story, which is right here. And this is going on the lid. I'm taking the flat end of the brush and I'm just dabbing it on here, and then I'm going to dab it on there because you can see how pigmented it is. And again, I'd rather build up than go in heavy in the beginning and having to fix. And I'm just patting it on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more. Patting it. And I'm patting it instead of brushing it on because I don't want the shadow to sink into the creases of my eyelids. Not that I have a lot, but any little roughness on your eyes can just make a big difference. And especially when you're working with powders. And you know I use my hand as my palette, but you can use a mirror. Yeah, I love this color. I do. This is the title of the story, this color. And I need relief. So I'm going to be honest, I don't see like a highlighter here, anything that I want to highlight go under my eyebrows. Sometimes if I can't find something to go there, I'll use a concealer or a powder, or I'll use my blender brush and I'll just blend it up here. So it'll bring a lighter color up. It will definitely kind of match. And then I'm gonna blend it all in to give it a natural look. All right, so that was easy. I'm gonna put an eyeliner on, and I'm gonna use the Roller Liner eyeliner from Benefit. This is a liquid eyeliner. It's the color brown, and it's very workable. It can go on thin or thick. That's what I like about it. And I just go real close to my line. Right 3/4 of the way into my eyelid. I like to go up a little bit here. Just going up. It's not a dramatic thing, but it's just a way to lift your eyes up. That's all. I was thinking about getting eyelash extensions, but I've been using the Revitalash, and that stuff has really grown my lashes. My lashes are really long. Normally my lashes are straight and short and sparse, but you'll see when I put on mascara, they are like bam. And I'm like, why would I get extensions? Well, I mean, it's kind of easy to use extensions, honestly. I mean, to wake up with beautiful lashes is kind of cool. But eyelash extensions also ruin your eyelashes. Got my Bare Minerals Micro Thin eyelining pencil that I just do the waterline. Now you can use anything. You can use any, I would say maybe is this waterproof? I don't know if they make this anymore, but this is my go-to, and I'm going to use them until I run out. But this is very thin, which I love because it goes right into the waterline perfectly. And in between the lashes. Now let's finish it up with some mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Sky High, and this is Hydro Fudge. Anyway, Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational color. What color is this? Black. That's got a real chemically smell to it. Is it old? God, I don't think so. All right, let's get going here. I think this is like a year old, this mascara. But I love this applicator, though. But I do like a dramatic eyelash look. I used to get eyelash extensions. They were called hybrid. So what she did was she mixed in short and long lashes. And it was dramatic. It wasn't, I'm not going to say it was natural looking, because it wasn't. It was like, ooh, look at that. I would come home, Crisco, oh my God, your lashes. He didn't even know I had lash extensions. But anyway, let me do my bottoms. Yeah, this, done with that mascara. However, it's good for today. Dried up. But, so this is the finished look. Let me back you up. Put a little bit more lip gloss on to finish the look. I got lip filler last week, so I have a little bit of blush on. I'm using the Rare Beauty pink blush, and because it's kind of a nude blush and it blends with your foundation. I find that blush really nice. The Rare Beauty Bliss. It's a nude pink. It's very pigmented, but it just goes on. The formula is really nice, and the color just blends. It just blends. I mean, this is a big seller. Every time they run out of stock a lot, and they get it back in, and they run out of stock again, because it's a really nice neutral pink, matted pink, and it's a nude pink. You can see that. Very pigmented, but really, really pretty. So I have that on as a blush for that. So anyway, I love this Natasha Denona. I love many things from Natasha Denona. She really makes some nice stuff. As a matter of fact, I think I bought a lip pencil and a lip gloss, which I'll be trying later. But love this. I love, and the formula is, I mean, even though it's a powder, the pigment is beautiful. The texture is really nice. It's kind of a creamy powder, if that makes any sense. I mean, it's a powder, but it goes on smooth and creamy, and it doesn't crease my eyelids. That's the worst, okay, when that happens. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'm going to link everything below. And let me know what you think. Please comment below, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button.
Four,
Hit the like button.
3.